If you're watching this, you care about maintaining your mental health throughout the year, and that's already a crucial step. Today, we're joining you on a journey through the seasons to understand and manage seasonal affective disorder, or SAD, a condition that affects many seniors. This topic is particularly important since SAD can impact your overall happiness and quality of life. Together, we'll uncover strategies and tips that can help you embrace every season with confidence and joy. Let's begin by exploring what SAD is and why it matters to you. Seasonal affective disorder, or SAD, is more than just the winter blues. It's a type of depression linked to changes in seasons, typically starting in fall and continuing into the winter months. As the daylight hours decrease, so do your energy levels. Seniors with SAD might feel tired or moody as their body rhythms get disrupted. Picture your body's internal clock as a dance between daylight and darkness. When light exposure changes, it can throw your mood off balance. Understanding this helps us recognize the beauty and necessity of light in our lives. Recognizing the signs of SAD is essential for taking control of your mental well-being. Common symptoms include feeling down most of the day, losing interest in activities you once enjoyed, and changes in sleep or appetite. You might also feel sluggish or find it hard to concentrate. It's important to pay attention to these cues and listen to your body. Remember, noticing these symptoms early can significantly aid in managing SAD better. If you start to feel consistently low when seasons change, it might be time to take action. Proper nutrition plays a vital role in combating SAD. Aim to incorporate foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon and walnuts, which are known for their mood-boosting properties. Whole grains, fresh fruits, and vegetables can also stabilize your mood and provide energy. Consider eating meals at regular intervals to keep your body in balance. Simplifying meal prep, such as using slow cookers or planning weekly menus, can make healthy eating more accessible. By making small dietary tweaks, you can energize your days and foster a brighter outlook, one meal at a time. Engaging in safe and effective movement is key to managing SAD. Gentle exercises like Tai Chi, yoga, or simply walking in the park can elevate your mood and enhance overall well-being. These activities not only lift your spirits, but also offer opportunities to connect with others, greatly benefiting social health. Tailor the intensity to suit your physical abilities, starting slow and gradually increasing as you feel comfortable. Movement is a powerful way to naturally boost your energy and vitality, helping you greet each day with renewed enthusiasm. Regular medical checkups are crucial for managing health conditions like SAD. Partnering with healthcare providers ensures you receive personalized care and can discuss treatment options like light therapy or counseling. Monitoring your mental health is as important as monitoring physical health, so don't hesitate to talk openly with your doctor about your mood changes. If your symptoms feel overwhelming, or if you have other medical conditions, immediate consultation might be needed. Cultivating a proactive approach with your healthcare team can help you navigate these challenges effectively. SAD doesn't only affect your mood, but can impact your entire lifestyle, influencing your emotional health and social interactions. Staying connected with friends and family is vital. Engage in group activities or join local clubs that spark joy and provide interaction. Practicing mindfulness or gratitude journaling can foster a positive outlook. By valuing social connections and focusing on your inner happiness, you're better equipped to handle seasonal changes with grace. Remember, supporting your mental health is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Reflecting on what we've discussed, remember the power lies in your hands to manage seasonal affective disorder. Embrace the strategy that works best for you. Monitor your symptoms, nourish your body, keep moving, and stay socially engaged. Every small change contributes to maintaining mental health year-round. Take action today by reviewing your diet or planning outdoor activities. Encourage an open dialogue with your doctor about possible treatments. Most importantly, trust in your capacity to enhance your quality of life. Your journey towards brighter days begins now.